Welcome, welcome, welcome to Maria Loves to Talk. And yes, I'm not doing a video on perfumes, you guys and gals. I'm doing a video on what is in my refrigerator. That's right. What do we like to eat at my house? What do we buy? Where do we shop? And how much junk is really in my box? So join me today at What is in Maria's refrigerator? Let's do it. And no talking bad about me, because there might be some old outdated stuff in there. And hey, you might have the same thing going on at your house. Let's do it. My little cats. I don't have cats, but hey, yes. And these little knick-knacky smacks. It's gonna be kind of hard, but I'm gonna try to manage by myself. Do not laugh. Do not laugh. Do not laugh, you guys. My little mat, my butters from Costco. Yes, my butters. Okay, ginger. I don't know if you can see this. It's my ginger root. Some little fruit cups. I don't know how old they are. Half of an avocado I cut. Yes, we love Velveeta cheese. I don't know what this is. Chili. Right, yeah. Okay, chili. Okay, here. Okay, some mustard. I don't know if you can see. Cream cheese. Some chipotle cheese, Gouda, and it's where would I be without my roux? Let me see if I can. Yeah, Cajun roux, eggs, boiled eggs, Lay's, these some leftover, my little turkey. I get this for the dog. I chopped it up. Her little snack. My cheddar sticks. My crackers. I try to put everything in a little Ziploc. My coffee filters. Okay, here's some pearl buttermilk. Okay, well, I'm gonna always call it Aunt Jemima's. My ketchup. Lowry's, Hawaiians. I always keep this. Roses. What is it? Rose grenadine for my lemonade. No, I don't know. For drinks. Okay, and then I have my Chick-fil-A. My own Chick-fil-A sauce. I don't know what I got this. I know I wasn't making sushi, but I had a recipe. I was going to use it for facials. Barbecue sauce. This is where we keep all our water. My Blue Blade. Some beer. I don't know where this beer is from. Do y'all know this beer's been here? I think since last summer. Yes. Okay, what's in here? Okay. I got these Nectarines in, I think 99-cent store. My tomatoes, 99 cents. Some more Blue Blade. My Grands, or should I say our Grands. I normally don't keep my lemons in the box, but hey, they've been going bad real fast. Picked up on this bag of avocados at Sam's, and I almost passed out. $7. Here's some pears. Forgot where we got this, and where we picked it up. More cinnamon rolls. We all love cinnamon rolls. We love sweets. Eggs. I always buy two 2 eggs. Have my nachos. Pick this up, Simply Fruit Punch, 99-cent store. Our favorite tea, Gold Peak, 99-cent store. Okay. Do you know this beer has been here, I think maybe going on 2 years. I don't know. That's sad. My onion, some more Simply. Normally we buy Costco organic orange juice. I had to get my swirl in bread wise, you guys. Okay. More Gold Peak. We love it. We love it. That was 99-cent store. You guys, I don't even want to think about it. Sammy honey butter. Sammy honey butter. Picked it up at Sam's. This is my first time looking at it in a while. It expired, you guys, since April. I don't know why it's not April. Last year, you guys. We are coffee-aholics, so I have nothing but cream. This is my little Ziploc, my little eggs and turkey meat for the dog. Okay. Breadcrumbs. Some leftover Reese's I opened. Some lemonade I made. This salad pack. Southwest chopped salad. Okay. Yes, those are mine. Those are mine. Those are mine. Radishes for my salads. Let's see. Ground beef. Okay. Don't laugh. Do not laugh, you guys. Turkey. I fry this for the dog. Some sour cream. What's back here? Some more cheese. Okay. Fairlife chocolate milk. What is this? Golly, you guys. This is when I made my cornbread dressing. Sage. Rosemary. Okay. I don't know what this is. Thyme. Some more turkey links. Okay. Brown sugar, whipped cream. This was for my cornbread dressing. Leftover rice. Everything I do, I put in Ziplocs because people been taking my containers. Yes, this is how I keep my little tortillas. Okay. Idaho Spuds. Remember I told you I got this for barely $2 at Sam's. Yes, you guys, I do have some liquor here. The cupcake, I think that was at 99-cent store. Stella Rosie. Some more cream. Some more cream. Ground beef for the nachos. Some more orange juice, organic. I think he picked this up at Aldi's. Some milk. Aldi's. And then, oh my goodness, you guys. I gotta throw this out. There's some eggnog. Oh, wow. Some more cupcake from the 99-cent store. They sell the same exact one at Sam's. And you, no, it's not 99 cents at the 99-cent store, but hey, it's like $3 or $4. Yes, this is my junky box. You guys do not laugh at it. It's a lot of stuff. And I'm not even through, you guys. I'm not even through. Yes, we do drink a lot of juices here. Oh, wow. I got a pineapple here. Got this at Aldi's. There's a couple bottles in here, and as you can see, haven't been opened. Pickles, tomatoes, my IBC cream soda, marinara sauce. So that's there. Let's get to this freezer. We do love our cheese, our nacho. I have to have my salsa very hot and spicy, because if it's not spicy, it's not good. Oh gosh, you guys, it's a lot. And I have a freezer, but I'm not gonna show you guys what's in my freezer, because my sister-in-law raided it. When she goes shopping, she's trying to hide stuff from her husband. She'll hide stuff in my freezer. Yes, we all have keys to each other's houses, townhomes, apartments. My favorite, Jimmy Dean Meat Lovers. Do not tell me, I already know about the sodium. I already know, you guys. Nectarines, blackened chicken Alfredo, my favorite. Oh, wow. Hard to do it by myself. BB Go, those dumplings from Costco, told you about. And I love the little seasoned soy sauce. I don't know what this, PF Chang's Korean pork. If it's not spicy, it's not good, okay? Leftover, this is the Indian, what say it, the masala or the tiki, it was tiki chicken. You just use the sauce, add your chicken. Of course, I had to be extra. I took a bag of vegetables and added it. My favorite, pineapple upside down cakes, Kroger's. Kroger's is sky high, but they do have a lot of good stuff. My little bag of ice, because I'm lazy like that. But Bluebell, Butter Crunch, more Bluebell. Okie dokie. I love these. Or should I say my nephew loves these. And I hide them. Yes, I hide them in the freezer, in the other freezer, because if not, it will be gone. Okay. Again, if you know what this is, Waffle Fries. The same exact ones that they had at Chick-Fil-A. Same exact ones they have at Chick-Fil-A. I didn't get the nuggets. They do have the nuggets. Now, which way this is going? But this is Sam's Members Mark. They used to have the same one that Costco had, Jomi Moto, except with Sam's, there's bacon. At Sam's, Frank's Red Hot Chicken Bites. I hope Stouffer's lasagna. I normally get a big Nectarines blackened chicken. This was my favorite. I put lunch meat in it. I put chicken salad, egg salad. Okay. My favorite pizza. Or should I say our favorite pizza, and it's hard to find. They don't want up on this one. I have not been able to go to the restaurant. I hear the restaurant's good. California Pizza Kitchen, Sicilian. This is the only one I will eat. What else? Pork dumpling. Like I said, if it's not spicy, it's not good. This must be new, sriracha. I don't know what else is. No, I do not use the ice maker. I do not. This pierogies, spinach and white cheddar, all these tater tots, tasty taters. I think we picked those up at 99-cent store. Yes, you guys, I have a lot of food in my refrigerator, and all this that you see is in my freezer, and some meats we picked up at the meat packing. And Maria loves to talk, my little kitchen. And no, it's not fancy, you know, that you guys have the same kind of ice box that I have, that we have here, and then all my waters and stuff. I know that you do. I don't want to go to the store, and I know that most likely you have it because you have everything. And by the way, I had it. I think it was some eggs. I had an extra thing of eggs and an extra thing of flour, or was it sugar? And so again, you guys, peace, love, and happiness. Do not score me, or whatever you call it, about my icebox. So again, Maria loves to talk. Stay blessed, happy, and healthy. I love you. Y'all stay good. Bye-bye.